Today we have forward outside Mohawks. Hope you guys are ready for this one. First off, for our forward outside Mohawks, let's practice being on a nice, strong outside edge. We're gonna try to hold it as long as possible. Remember our nice circle arms. We're really going to push our weight onto the blade, slight lean inside the circle, really focus on a strong forward outside edge. We're going to start off in a strong forward outside edge. We're going to get into that T position just like for our inside. Bring our foot to the outside of the instep. We're going to look where we are turning and then immediately bring opposite toe to the opposite heel. As we do that, make sure this arm stays back. Don't let it flip forward like this because then you'll lose your balance. Let's put it all together for our forward outside Mohawk. For my first edge, I am more towards the middle to back of my blade. When I step, I think about stepping on the ball of my foot and then regaining my balance on that edge. The outside Mohawks are tricky. Sometimes I like to add speed by doing crossover beforehand. And don't forget to have nice soft knees. Give me a thumbs up and see you all next time. Happy skating!